Hey everyone, welcome to Sprinkles and Scribbles. Today we're going to be making some delicious mocha cupcakes. These cupcakes are flavored with both chocolate and coffee and then topped with a delicious coffee buttercream and then finished with some melted chocolate. So if you're a coffee or chocolate lover just like me, give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is add some hot water to instant coffee and then set that aside while we make the rest of the cupcake batter. Then, to a large bowl, add some brown sugar and white sugar, as well as some canola oil. All the measurements are in the description box below. Give that a good whisk, and then to the bowl, we're going to add some melted chocolate and mix it all together. Next, we're going to add an egg and an egg yolk to the bowl. Then add the sour cream, and then we're going to give all the wet ingredients a good mix. Next, we're going to sift in all our dry ingredients. Start with the flour, the cocoa powder, as well as some baking soda, salt, and baking powder. And then once you've sifted in the dry ingredients, give the batter a mix until all the dry ingredients are incorporated into the mixture. Try not to overmix at this point. And then at this point, you can add in the vanilla as well as the instant coffee mixture into the batter. And then just mix it until it's all incorporated together. Next, line a cupcake tin with some cupcake liners. The recipe below makes 9 cupcakes in total. Fill the batter into each cupcake liner about 2/3 of the way. And then bake it in the oven for about 15 to 18 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll know the cupcakes are done when the toothpick inserted comes out clean. Let them cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, and then I like to transfer them to a wire rack so that they cool all the way through. While the cupcakes are cooling, we're going to make our coffee buttercream frosting. So we're going to do the same thing we did for our cupcakes. We're going to add some instant coffee to hot water, mix it together, and set it aside to cool. Next, we're going to take some softened butter and whip it until it's light and fluffy. This part usually takes me about 5 to 7 minutes with a hand mixer. You'll know your butter is ready when it's light and fluffy and the color is lighter than when you first started. Next, we're going to add our icing sugar in 3 separate batches, alternating with the coffee mixture. Start by adding 1/3 of a cup of icing sugar into the mixture and then mix it until it's incorporated with the butter. Next, add about 1/3 of the coffee mixture we had set aside into the frosting and mix it into the batter until it's completely incorporated. And then continue the process, alternating between the icing sugar and the instant coffee mixture until both of them have been used up. If you find that the frosting is too runny, you can always add some icing sugar to thicken it up, or add some cream if you find that the frosting is too thick. Once you're happy with the texture of the frosting, transfer the mix to a piping bag with your favorite tip. And then melt the chocolate chips in a small bowl. We're going to use this to drizzle over the cupcakes to give them that real mocha flavor. I transferred the melted chocolate chips to a squeeze bottle, but you can just as easily use a Ziploc bag or just drizzle them over the cupcakes with a spoon. Next, get all your toppings together, and it's time to decorate these cupcakes. Hold the piping bag upright and just draw a swirl with your piping tip onto the cupcake. I'm using a Wilton 2D tip to pipe the frosting on my cupcakes. Repeat the process until all your cupcakes have been decorated. And then finish the cupcakes by drizzling some melted chocolate all over the cupcakes, however much you like. And finally, it's time to enjoy these cupcakes. They are so moist and full of flavor from all the chocolate and coffee in both the cupcake and the frosting. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and comment and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. See you next time.